Welcome to Meandering Line and Wash Portraiture. No watercolor portrait drawing or painting experience needed. Only the desire to meander, wash, and color surprisingly fun, emotional, and unique watercolor portrait. All you'll need is a chisel point pen, watercolor paint and palette, and a few colored chalk markers. That's it. I will look forward to seeing you in my 3-day Zoom workshop.